At Digital Law Marketing, we help law firms grow their business and their brand with marketing strategies created exclusively for them, not their competitors. We have some of the best talent in the industry working to combine content marketing, search engine optimization, SEM and PPC, social media marketing, and web design to create the perfect plan for your firm. Our business is promoting your business. Contact us today.
My firm began working with Digital Law Marketing about 3 or 4 years ago. They sat down and we talked, and they said they could do certain things, and I didn't think they could. And I gave them a chance, and they proved what they said they could do, and they have exceeded it ever since. For many years, we were out there and just wandering in the wilderness, trying our best, and it just wasn't working. It was only when we met DLM and their team that it really took off, and they've really helped expand our reach to very specific sets of cases. I think that DLM has helped the growth of my business by expanding our SEO and allowing us to market to a broader client base. And the one thing that I love about DLM is that they think outside the box. We look for ways to reach certain audiences that are outside the norm and that most people are not doing. And they have more of a cutting edge approach than most people. Their writers have a commitment and dedication to content that allows my firm to succeed. They allow me to put my stamp on it so that I can get the message across that I want to get across in order to reach my target audience. I would recommend them to anybody that was looking for a similar service. And the thing that is best, you are their only client for that specific practice area in your area. They take care of us in South Carolina for catastrophic injury. They represent us in this state. Their dedication and commitment to my firm has exceeded my wildest expectation.
So like a lot of people, I'm a lawyer, I don't know anything about the internet. So I bounced around from company to company to company. I had somebody doing the website, somebody else doing social media, and it was a mess. And so I was looking for one place to go that could handle everything, and that was Digital Law Marketing. It's one of the best decisions I've ever made as a business owner. The reason I chose Digital Law Marketing is it's one stop. I know the website's taken care of. I know social media is taken care of. I know if there's a breaking news story and I want something on my website, it's there the next day, sometimes the same day. It allows me not to have to bounce around from different people to handle different needs online. I go to one place and they take care of everything. It is one point of contact, which allows me then to work on my cases and work with my clients. Every year, our traffic has grown. Every year we get more and more cases. Our online reputation gets better and better. And it's been instrumental in the growth of my firm. For us in particular, we don't run TV ads or do any billboard advertising, so this is really our only source of media, and it's just been phenomenal. And so I know they're invested in the success of my firm. They take the time to sit down and show me measurable things that they have done for my website. Even for guys like me who don't know that much about it, they make it simple, they make it easy, and I know that they're interested in my success. They have really good content writers. Their writing is solid, their staff is professional. I cannot imagine working with any other company other than Digital Law Marketing. I mean, this is my company. I have no desire to look elsewhere. It's so easy for me to be able to not even have to read emails of people soliciting me for SEO content or they want to redesign my website. I don't have to worry about it. It's just lets me do what I'm good at, which is helping clients. I would recommend Digital Law Marketing to any lawyer who just wants to have a one-stop shop to handle their online presence and feel confident that it's going to be done professionally and really the best in the business, in my opinion. And I cannot recommend them more highly.
We had gone around the block with different, what I would say are generic internet marketing people. So I started looking at other lawyers that I respected in other parts of the state And when they had websites I really liked, I kept noticing that they were run by Digital Law Marketing. After meeting with the team at Digital Law Marketing, it became clear to me that they actually understood our demographic. We're here in Sevier County, which although it is adjacent to Knoxville and Knox County, is a wholly different beast. And their team understood that. DLM has been a huge help to the growth of our business because so much of our client base are out-of-town tourists. They're going to rely on the internet to try to find an attorney. The old ways of talking to the bailiffs, talking to the people you knew in the clerk's office, don't apply in a tourist town. So they've done a great job of directing that business to our firm. Digital Law Marketing's team is always hands-on and making sure that we get the content that we need. They're also always looking for specific situations, such as if we've got a highly publicized case and tying that into our online presence. So it's clear that they're not just there absentee. They are always focused on growing our business. The content writers are very creative. They've been on top of cutting-edge issues very specific to the state of Tennessee, which is very impressive. Their content writers are creative, they are insightful, and are able to distill legal issues into a way that I think the average web surfer can understand. We have seen substantial growth in our website, in our online presence. So because of that, we choose to stay with them because they keep pushing growth. One of the most important things to us about Digital Law Marketing was knowing that we had a marketing company that was exclusive to us in the area. When you go with any other SEO, you may just be paying the same pocket that's going into your competitors, and that just makes no sense. So having someone willing to actually be loyal to you is very important in this industry. I would recommend Digital Law Marketing for anyone looking for a similar service.
Before going with DLM, I had other vendors that were doing my website and my marketing, my online presence, and they were not doing a very good job, not at all. I was looking to switch, and I interviewed a couple of vendors, more well-known vendors at the time, and they promised a lot, and it was clear they weren't going to deliver what they promised. It was frustrating. And then Digital Law Marketing came in, and it was like they got us, and they did what they said they were going to do. And they met their schedule. They built me out a beautiful website. At no time did they overpromise or underdeliver. I wouldn't say I'm tough on vendors. I'm fair, but I expect results, and I expect them to do what's in the contract, and I expect vendors to follow through. And not just with my marketing, my online presence. I'm talking about phone service in the office, I'm talking about copiers, I'm talking about printers, I'm talking about any vendor that a law firm would deal with. My experience with Digital Law Marketing has been the best of any vendor that I've ever had, and I've been in business over 30 years. It's the most actually remarkable thing for me to sit here and say I can't find a single instance where they've let me down.
When I first founded the office, I relied heavily on word of mouth and not a big emphasis on advertising. At some point I saw the importance of advertising, and I put up a website with one company and they didn't do the job. And then I put up a website with another company and they didn't do the job. And then I started getting solicited heavily by companies that, you know, they don't want much money from you, but they guarantee they're gonna put you on the first page of Google. And you know, it didn't quite smell right. And so I started doing my own research. I saw Digital Law Marketing. They were supported by national trial lawyers, and so I gave them a call, and I was impressed with what they had to offer, and have been very pleased with their services. The first thing that comes to mind is their responsiveness and their level of competence. They're truly experts in the field. They have talented writers who work for them that can create the content, and content that makes sense. Every time I have a question about should I be doing this, should I be doing that, I send an email, I get a response right away. They have a great understanding of what it takes to make yourself visible. They're constantly working behind the scenes, and I truly feel that my success is their success. Anyone asks, I would recommend Digital Law Marketing to them. I've been nothing but impressed by the services that Digital Law Marketing has provided.
We started working with Digital Law Marketing about 3 years ago. Digital Law Marketing were recommended to us by a local attorney who had been working with them for a number of years. I would say that Digital Law Marketing is unique in the level of customer service that they provide. We have worked with other companies, other marketing companies in the past, and there's really no comparison in terms of the attention that they pay to clients, the responsiveness, their ideas, their creativity. They have been absolutely phenomenal to work with, and we've seen tremendous leaps in the growth of our business after working with them. We've worked with Digital Law Marketing on SEO projects. They help manage our Facebook. They help with maintaining our blogs. And we meet with a representative from the company at least quarterly to strategize about what's next on the horizon. What else can we be doing to get the word out there about our business? Their team is very responsive. It's a very fluid, creative, give and take, dynamic relationship. I know without a doubt that they want our firm to succeed. And I think they demonstrate that almost on a weekly basis in terms of the frequency, quality of contacts that we have with them. They redesigned our website for us. They help with content, social media marketing, video marketing. They are a phenomenal resource for us, and I know that they consider our success to be their success. I would absolutely recommend Digital Law Marketing to another law firm who was looking to take their business to the next level.